One of the things we have to do while we're here is to categorize the substrate that we're looking at. This place doesn't have quite as much variety of substrate as if we were out at Turkey Creek, but some examples of substrate that we would be looking for are bedrock, and bedrock is large slabs of continuous rock. There's a lot of that at Turkey Creek, but really not much of that here at all. So no bedrock at all. We could also have boulders. Again, there's no boulders here, and the Turkey Creek has a lot of boulders. What boulders are is they are rocks that are larger rocks, so they're greater than 20 centimeters across. Cobble is fist-sized rocks. We have a lot of cobble here. So for comparison, here's my fist, and this is the size of the rock. So most of what I'm looking at here, these larger rocks on the ground, that's cobble. Gravel is smaller rocks, so those would be rocks that are sort of underneath the cobble. So smaller rocks like this would sort of count as gravel. And so there's a lot of gravel in this area as well as cobble. And then sand. So sand would be if there was a bunch of sand that was covering the ground. This is probably close to sand, in between sand and cobble. But so if the ground where I was sampling just had these really small base substrate, then I would call that sand.